Last year, kids brought me their shoes to customize, and this year, I'm bringing the shoes to them. And the thing that I want you guys to know is how much everybody loves you. They don't even know you, but there are so many people out there who care about you and who love you and who wanted to do something amazing for you, okay? They weren't doing it for me, they weren't doing it for Parkwood, they weren't doing it for Miss Odd, they were doing it for you. And so because of that, we were able to
oh my God.
Purchase Air Force Ones for all of you.
We all like Miss MacLean. She did a fundraiser, and all of us had all of us got free Air Forces, and we're all gonna customize them.
I did a project for my digital art studio with the 5th graders where they had to design a pair. I put a blank picture of a pair of Air Force Ones and had them design their dream shoe. And I told them that I would be choosing a few students to help me customize the shoes that I get, since I get so many shoes now. And I just told them, you know, my hands are tired. I'm so tired of using all my plan time customizing shoes, and then that I needed help, and that I was going to choose some 5th graders to help me with that. So today, little do they know, I will be choosing them all.
Well, my reaction, I started crying, and I did not know this was going to happen. I knew it was going to be a surprise, you know. I knew it was going to be a surprise, but I didn't know it was going to happen. And I started crying really bad, so that was my reaction.
What it all boiled down to is just this community of friends and family and students and people who I don't even know, who don't know these kids, just showed up and poured out, and we were able to hit the goal within less than a month, which is incredible.
I did not expect them lined up with literal shoes, Air Force Ones to be specifically Air Force Ones to be precise.
I came to school with only one pair of my shoes, and so I met Miss MacLean and I said, I wish you can customize these, and she said that I love her, that it stayed in her heart. So yeah.
Let's ask the teachers. Hi, Miss Selleck. What did you do when you first seen the kids get Air Forces?
I teared up a little bit. It was so fun to see you guys do this, because I know that some people in our class inspired it, and you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You deserve this.
Thank you. Okay. Miss MacLean, what did you do when you first seen the Air Forces?
What did I do? Oh my gosh, I almost cried. It was amazing.
That's
I
great.
rushed you guys to see what you were doing, and you were crying.
Yeah.
I was really proud of Miss MacLean for making all this, come, manifested this. It was really awesome, and really happy for you guys.
So again, I just want to tell you guys that I love you, and I am so thankful for you, and I am so thankful that you guys inspired me to do something like this for you, and just for being who you are. And I cannot wait to see what you guys create.